Whispers of the rain in the silence of a quiet night, when the world fades out of sight. Here it comes, soft and slow, whispers only hearts can know. Falling gently, drops of grace, like a call we can't replace. Every tear the sky has cried feels like mercy from on high. Every drop is calling me back to where my soul should be. Oh my Lord, sender of the wave, let it wash away my pain, cleanse the hearts that lost their way, guide us back to you again. How many nights we lost the light, searching roads that felt so right, till a whisper touched the air. Don't lose hope, I'm always there. Through the rain I hear your call. You were there through it all. Oh my Lord, endless in your grace, every drop a warm embrace. Heal the souls that went astray, bring them back to light again. Let me fade into the wash away the hidden pain. If your door is open wide, hope will never leave my side. Broken heart I bring to you, make it pure and make it new. Let the rain become a sign that your mercy still is mine. Oh my Lord, hear my silent plea, let your mercy fall on me. Every tear becomes a light, leading me back home tonight. From the sky, tell the soul it's time to try. When the heavens start to cry, let your tears bring you back to life.